The Brute is looking good, but not feeling all that fast. So we're going to look into that thing here shortly. But this video is for the Mule guys. Want to do a little update on this thing. Found a really cheap air filter. This thing is an absolute mess. As you can see, they run it a lot. But normal air filters for this are extremely expensive. I think Kawasaki is asking like almost $100 for them. So I found this one on Amazon. I'll add the link in the description below. You guys can check it out. So on these Mules, the air filter is underneath this lid right here. Has 6 little clamps. You can see there's an O-ring. Keep that in there. And these connect up underneath. The air filter just pulls up out. Okay, so this is the filter we pulled out of it. I think it's the OEM filter. We never changed it, and so I'm not sure. They might have changed it from any other shop that had it before us, but this is what we pulled out of it. This is the one from Amazon. So this little thing comes off the back here. We have some writing, made in China. Interesting. I didn't notice this before when I looked at it. Kimco. So my daughter's 90. The KFX 90s are basically Kimco quads. So kind of interesting on that. Here is the Amazon. This is $39.99. There's nothing on the box at all. It's just a plain Jane box. And here's the filter. No writing on it. But if we're going to say this is the factory one, for $80 to $100, depending on where you can find it at, half the price, it seems like it's literally the exact same thing. For some reason, I don't know if it's just me, this might be saturated a little bit more with like dirt and stuff, but this one does feel a little bit heavier than this. But this should get the job done. Okay, so we got to put the filter back in, make sure the air box is clean, and you can put this filter back in here. It's definitely a little tight, but it actually feels really, really good. There's one little leaf I left in there. Okay. Just like so. Perfect. Yeah, she looks good. She fits extremely well. Fit just like the other one did. If you guys have any other recommendations or any thoughts on this, let me know. Leave in the comment section below. As always, God bless.